The School Age program has been operating emergency childcare since the pandemic began. Our program has safely cared for children with distancing, strict protocols for cleaning, masks, outside time, and hand washing. When the families arrive at SAC, each child goes through an active health screening so we know they are okay to participate. Our program adapted as we moved to online learning. We work with your teachers in school to help your children with their classes, sessions, and homework. While your children are online with their class, the trifold keeps them from being distracted by other students and increases safety. Children are getting the emotional and social development support they need. The School Age program is a hidden gem inside of our district.